Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I have an exciting Arduino project for you. I'm going to show you how to build a distance measurement system using an Arduino Nano, an ultrasonic sensor, a 16x2 LCD display, an I2C module, a breadboard, and some jumper wires. Before I get started, let me quickly go over the components needed for this project. We have the 16x2 LCD display, which will show us the measured distance. We'll be using an Arduino Nano, a compact and powerful microcontroller board. Alongside that, we'll also utilize an ultrasonic sensor, which uses sound waves to measure distance. To simplify the wiring for the LCD, we'll use an I2C module, and of course, to make all the connections, we need a breadboard and jumper wires. Now, let's start building the distance measurement system step by step. With everything connected, let's now upload the Arduino code to the Nano. You can find the code and schematic in the description below, and make sure to like and subscribe. It would mean a lot. As you can see, the system accurately measures the distance from the object and displays it on the LCD screen. Now that we have our project working, let's take a look at the wiring diagram. This will help us understand how all the components are interconnected with the Arduino Nano. And there you have it. We've successfully built a distance measurement project using Arduino Nano, an ultrasonic sensor, a 16x2 LCD display, an I2C module, a breadboard, and jumper wires. If you want to recreate this project or have any questions, don't forget to check the links in the description below.